cursed dry, and those who dwell within her walls. They torched our food stores and tents. Even most of the ships. We'll be lucky to even escape here now.
Escape? We just broke down one of the gates. We should be pressing our attack, not talking of escape.
The Trojans aren't going to wait for that. Surely they will attack again at any moment.
Not if they think we've left. Poseidon is the lord of horses. In Atlantis, a defeated general surrenders his horse when beaten.
A horse, yes. A great wooden horse.
I don't understand. Will it fight?
We can have this done quickly, and we don't have to rebuild any of the siege. Arkantos, I will need your help.
Έτοιμοι, δρυτόμος.
Έτοιμο, μάλιστα.
Πρόσεχε. Μάλιστα. Θρητόμος.
Πρόσταγμα, βούλομαι.
Λέγε. Ναι. Πρόσταγμα, θρητόμος. Έτοιμος, θρητόμος.
Έτοιμο. Έστω.
Έτοιμος.
Λέγε. Θρητόμος.
Έτοιμος.
Ναι, βούλομαι. Ναι.
Πρόσταγμα, μάλιστα.
Βούλο. Καλώς.
Λέγε, χώρο. Χώρο.
Run for the gates! We must warn Troy!
Good job. If we stop these scouts, Troy will not attack us.
Ορθώς. Έτοιμος. Βούλομαι. Πρόσταγμα. Πάνι. Πρόσταγμα. Ορθώς.
Λέγε. Ναι. Λέγε.
Έτοιμο. Βούλομαι.
Πρόσεχε, έστω. Λέγε, έστω.
Λέγε.
Ναι.
Πρόσταγμα.
Έτοιμος. Ορθός. Πάνι. Ορθός. Πάνι. Πάνι. Ορθός.
Λέγε. Λέγε. Ναι, ναι, βούλομαι. Βούλομαι, βούλομαι. Βούλομαι, ναι, εισβολή. Καλώς, εισβολή.
Do not let the scouts return to Troy, or we have stopped this scout. But stay sharp, men. There will be more.
Λέγε έστω. Μάλιστα.
πρόσταγμα.
Move the horse into position, quickly!
Agamemnon, take the boats and the men and sail just out of sight. Arkantos, Ajax, and I will man the horse. When night falls, sail back. We'll have the gate open for you.
I'm glad you scheme for me, Odysseus. I will return at nightfall.
If we destroy the gate, our troops can rush in.
Λέγε. Ναι. Βούλουμε. Ναι.
Wait here for the gods to pass. We would do best to avoid fighting them now.
Ναι. Μάλιστα. Ναι.
We could make good use of those.
Ναι. Καλώς. Εισβολή.
Colossus
Εισβολή.
should try to sneak past.
Καλώς. Εισβολή. Έστω. Πρόσεχε. Μάλιστα. Καλώς.
Why are those Heliopoli out of storage? They are controlled by the enemy. Stop them.
Εισβολή. Καλώς.
Λέγε, βούλουμε.
gods have graced us with 2 meteors!
Agamemnon has returned with his army. Quickly, rush through the gate and take down Troy's fortress.
Kalos, izvoli. Vulome.
Πρόσταγμα, παν, βούλομαι. Εισβολή.
Πρόσεχε, εισβολή.
Έτοιμος.
Πρόσταγμα. Πρόσεχε.
Πρόσταγμα. Βούλομαι, βούλομαι.
Πρόσταγμα, πάνι.
Πρόσεχε.
Έτοιμος. Βούλομαι. Λέγε, ορθώς.
Πρόσταγμα.
Εισβολή. Καλώς. Εισβολή. Ναι.
Λέγε, ορθώς. Πρόσταγμα, βούλομαι.
Λέγε. Ναι, αλές.
Troy has fallen. Let's find Helen and get her back home.
Where to now, Arcantos?
Back to Atlantis. This was a welcome break from chasing pirates, but I need to return home.
Well, pirates or not, you need to get your boats repaired.
You don't think they can make it to Atlantis?
No.
There is a port not far from here, Iaklos.
I'm sailing there. I can show you the way and get someone to work on your ships.
And he strides among the treetops, and is taller than the trees, and his voice through all the garden is thunder sent to breathe. What is it, Kemsit?
Chemos has returned, sir. He lost the Trident. He says the Atlantean was headed for Troy. The battle there will not last much longer once he joins the Greeks.
The siege at Troy is already over.
Zeus could still interfere.
Do you question me, Kemsit?
No. Everything is exactly as you said it would be. The fortress, the tunnel, Troy.
Giants and the genie, multiplex of wing and eye, whose strong obedience broke the sky. Send Chemos. I want to speak with him.
Yes, General.